Hey everybody, so this is my alkaline test. I had to fix the wires. Of course the wires were, the grounding wire there, the black one was hitting the metal and touching that thing which I had to stick the wire thing to just to test it to see. Of course I didn't think about grounding and resistance and all that, so both batches turned out to be acidic. That was frustrating, and I filtered the water and it took a long time. So this is I got reagent in there, the pH balance reagent, to test to see where the alkalinity is. And it's really cool looking. You can see the blue moving away from the plate that's electrified on the negative side, which is creating the alkaline state in this tank. This tank has a little bit of reagent. You can kind of see, no, maybe it's in the bottom. I can't really tell. Yeah, whatever. So anyway, it's just the plates in there hanging down. That's acidic. It's pretty orange. Tested it. Alkaline. Good for you. Good for skin and cleaning. Good for drinking.